Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I want to show you a powerful feature that Claude has. You can now create videos through Claude using Remotion without writing even a single line of code. So by the end of this video, we'll be able to produce videos using Claude. We will have 4 steps in creating this video. And the first step definitely is to download Claude. So you will go to and write Claude Code download and download Claude. Okay, after downloading Claude, you will go back and create a folder. So we're going to create a folder and name it Remotion Skill. If you open the folder, it's actually empty. So we are going to open this folder in Claude Code. So in Claude, we have the chat, the co-work, and the code. So we are going to use this code section. And here, we just come and open the remotion skill folder. Go to desktop, remotion skill, and open it. It's already open. So how are we going to create these videos? So we are going to use Remotion and Claude. So how are you going to add Remotion to Claude? So I have skill that I have built on that we have built on our school community. So if you go to our school community under create videos using Claude, you will find in step number 3, you're going to find this prompt. Installs a set of instructions that teach Claude how Remotion works. So without this skill, Claude won't know the Remotion specific rules and patterns. So you have to add this Remotion skill for it to work. So we are going to add the skill, and then we are going to tell Claude something. Hey, could you set this up for me? I pasted a Remotion skill. And you're going to hit enter. So from here we wait. We are going to allow all the permissions that Claude will be asking us. Claude will be going through a set of instructions, through set of instruction and documentation of the remotion skill, and it will run the command. And then once it will be done, it will just initialize the workspace in a way that it is appropriate for us to start using the skill and producing the video. Yeah, now it's done. As you can see, it's as simple as that. Now we have the remotion skill on our Claude, and we can now start using it to produce videos. So you have the location and you have the agents that will be used to create those videos. So the first video we are going to create is for a product demo. We are going to use our company, WPfoss.ke. So we'll just come here, WPfoss. So let me just take this URL of the company. So it's going to make a video of a web design agency. So we are going to prompt it our next prompt. Hey, could you please create a brief product demo for this specific website? So then we are going to add that. Then from there, we are going to say something like, please, when you create it, try using the same fonts, same logo, and the same pictures that you find within the page. Feel free to take screenshots and adapt as you prefer. Yeah, then we click enter and we wait for it to finish. Yeah, from what you've seen, we don't need to be technical with this. Just need to know what is it that we actually want to do. Yeah, and as before, we are going to continue allowing Claude the right permissions to create the video that we have asked it to create, and eventually we'll have the video produced. So what's going to happen, as you can see here from the web search, it will go to our website WPfoss.ke, take the data and make video on it based on the services that we are offering or what the company is all about. I could have given it more instruction here, or even maybe on the specific. You can give it more instruction even on the specific product or service that you want it to create a video on. Yes, the reason why this thing is so powerful is because it will create the video depending on the to-do lists. So you can see it initializes the remotion project. Then it creates the video scenes components. It's wire up the composition with all scenes. Then it verify renders correctly. So it will all create the to-do lists. It can differ from mine, but the end product will be the same on what it creates. So you're going to see now it's creating all the video components. You're going to see the level of accuracy from the first prompt that we gave it, so that it creates the video depending on the website that we gave it. So it has finished, and we can go and check it out. You can see the scenes. We will have the hero, the services, the M-Pesa, the pricing, and now the CTA. Now, here's the video. So let's check it out. Okay. It did not get the logo correct. So it's beautiful, and sometimes if you do not like the colors that it has used or anything, you can just go back to Claude and tell it anything to change it if you did not like any scene. We can even go further with this video generation by using 11 labs to add voiceovers, or you can even take Claude to add a background music to the video just generated. You can even create multiple videos and tell Claude to chain them together with the order that you want them. And that's it from us on how to create videos with Claude Code. If you want to have this video on your local on your desktop, you just have to render it. Then once it's done, you'll just click this folder and you'll have it here. That's it. Thank you for watching.